Good morning. This is 1bicycleddie. It is Monday morning, October the 29th at 1:34 a.m. and that red mark in the middle of the screen there is where I am in the middle of the current tropical storm called Sandy, and to the blue is where the storm ends. So you'd say I'm right in the middle of it. But essentially what's happening is this must be the calm before the storm, because outside there's nothing but really fantastic tropical breezes. It's not raining. It's as dry as the Sahara Desert. And as a land surfer, somebody who loves to ride and use the terrain to go ahead and travel, I've decided to go ahead and at this time of the morning to enjoy these last tropical breezes. I spent a lot of some really nice time this summer down at the beach. Not a lot, some great time at the beach, and had some tropical breezes. And so here I am, 1:35 in the morning, can't sleep. Storm hasn't arrived as they said, and you can actually see what's going on. You can see that it's 1:35 in the morning. You can see that's my locator as to where I am. I'm in the middle of the storm, but it's not raining. So whether the weather forecasters missed it, I don't know. But I'm going to go out on the trike, and that way at 1:35 in the morning, as abnormal as it may seem, at least if the wind picks up, I'm not going to get knocked over sideways. But gorgeous tropical breezes outside right now. And I'm going to go out and experience Hurricane Sandy on a three-wheel, 7-speed bicycle, just to do that, because I haven't done that. Wish it could be down the beach for dawn for surfing, but I don't think I'm going to make that, and I haven't learned to surf yet in my 55 plus years. So this is a little bit of what it's like. My online identity here is 1bicycleddie, and I've done videos about bicycling at all times, day or night, 12 months of the year. So, why don't we just throw a hurricane into the mix? And I've got a light there, and a light back here. I forget how to get this one on. Any on the hillbillies would tell you it's pertinent at 2 o'clock in the morning. But what's really cool is that it feels like 70 degrees out. This is definitely a tropical breeze, and one I would love to have that backlight on. It's not going to happen. So in this particular case, I'm going land surfing. I'm going out on my tricycle. A little bit of a headlight down there. Let's see what we got here. Here's the garage. You can see where the light is. And the cars are. Just to warm up a little. Not till to hear the wind. So, the wind just took my head off. Not bad surfing. So, if you were to check on Weather Channel right now, the weather would show you that you're in the middle of a hurricane. About 22 miles inland from the Atlantic Ocean, and it's as dry as a bone. There's a gorgeous breeze, and it's very obvious that this is a tropical breeze because it's November 28th, and I'm dressed real light considering. I'm going to go ahead and flip my trike to a bigger gear, and this will be one of those at night videos that just annoys the heck out of my sister. She goes, who wants to watch something dark? Well, I'm more interested in the idea that you see that if you ride a bike year round, then weather forecast not going to really stop you. You'll have equipment for it, and you'll have the stamina to do it. And wow, maybe you can hear that wind. It's really cool. I can see that the clouds are above me, and I'm riding on the wrong side of the road on purpose because this is the only side of the road that has any light on it. So it's 2 o'clock in the morning, Monday morning, October 29th, in the middle of Hurricane Sandy. And I challenge you, the viewer, you don't see any rain. There's no rain gear on. So this is in between apparently the bands of rain. And I decided to go ahead and ride the bike at 2 in the morning because you know that feeling you have when big storms coming, or just snowstorm or whatever. Couldn't sleep, so I said, let me go and ride my tricycle. This is a 3-wheel bike. Was made in Boca Raton, Florida, in America by Americans. I've got a light up front. I'm riding in a community called Cranberry Acres. There's almost no traffic, so I feel very comfortable. And now I'm just going to go ahead and enjoy the ride. I'll turn the camera on again in a little bit. And that wind you hear is a tropical wind coming off the beaches of New Jersey. But you can look at the camera. It's as dry as a bone. And common sense will tell me it's what they call a calm before the storm. So it's a beautiful breeze.